Alright, this is Jeanette trying to shoot a little bitty BB gun after getting scared by the big old Mosin Nagant.
BB guns are fun.
Fun or no? I don't think so. Anyway, spin that front knee a little bit. There you go. Nice posture. I heard a hit. It's good. Come on now. One. Ah, come on. Come on.
I feel so stupid.
You're not stupid. You just need to work out.
I've been working out.
Don't point at me.
I'm pointing at you.
You want me to get it? Hard.
I can't even get the BB gun shut down.
Shut down?
I mean this thing shut down. You're deleting that video too.
No, I don't think so. Good comedy. That's your new profession. Instead of going for being a model, you're going to be a comedian with videos.
But this is just naturally me. Oh, freak.
There's one pump. You got 8 more to go.
8 more?
Or 9. Depends how many times you want to pump it.
Yeah, I'm doing it easy. No, I'm not.
You didn't open it all the way last time.
I really can't get it.
Well, his fingers get caught.
I can't get it.
Here, bring it over here. Bring it over here. Hard to do this and hold the camera at the same time. Here we go. I'm using my hip.
You done yet?
Hush. You have to delete this now probably because I've been taking a picture of the ground the whole time. There you go. It weighs like 2 pounds. Come on. Whatever you're shooting at, you missed. Too bad.
Why can't you just